Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have yet another software. This one is a crazy one. It's called Olympus, and in a nutshell, it's an application that is going to effortlessly help you actually tap into ChatGPT and Kosmos, and in turn auto-generate turnkey websites that are going to help you in any niche of your choice. And these websites will have up to 1,400 clicks sent to it from this very arrangement, and it's a very good one. I have seen the magic it does in the members area, the software dashboard itself, where you are able to synchronize the name search that you get from any of the platforms where you get domain names, and of course host it with synchronization system with WordPress, and that's phenomenal actually. And it's going live today, the 21st of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and it's from Venkataramana. I mean, it's a crazy one that I have seen the magic. It's really powerful because you can create anything you want, any kind of website you want under turnkey arrangement within seconds, and of course this will be populated with clicks that will definitely drive traffic to any of our link of your choice. It's an amazing one. So at any time you decide, that first link below in my description area will bring you to the sales page here, where you are going to get a copy of this by clicking any of these links. If you stick with me further, I will show you through the members area, the training area. Also this is the dashboard, and of course also show you the bonuses that I have lined up for you, including the pricing for Olympus, and then you'll be able to see what you have here. But for now, let us see exactly what you have as benefits for this product. At any time you decide, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Of course, I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you definitely end up making money online. Okay, so this is not an exception. Olympus by Venkataramana. Now, these are some of the amazing benefits that I've seen in this one. I automatically create any turnkey profitable website for you in any niche. It doesn't matter the niche you want, and 100 out of 100 beta testers of this product made money the same day by using it. And of course, Olympus drive traffic for 100% free in any niche, 365-day money back guarantee, no hosting or domain needed. Everything is included, and I have seen that, and no waiting. Results are incredibly fast, and of course zero upfront cost. So that's in a nutshell what you have as benefits. But I will leave the review of the sales page of this great product by Venkataramana into your hands when you arrive here. But at any time you decide, this link will give you access to the sales area where you buy this product. And here are the testimonials from some of the beta testers: Kapil Gala, and you have Arun Kumar, affiliate beta tester, and so many of them. I think you have some here. Sadat Reddy, another beta tester but an affiliate. Praveen T. These are testimonials you can check out on your own, and these are the income proofs that have been stated here. And you have three basic steps to getting this work for you. The first one is log into this website after purchase using the link in my description area, and of course you have the step 2 will be to actually get the AI to do the job for you, which will be you pick from hundreds of done for you niches within Olympus, and even select a new one. Olympus has your back when you do that. And of course you have the number 3, deploy. You click the magic button, watch AI do all the work for you, and deploy a profitable website for you. I have seen that work even in the demo video of this very one, which I'm going to put in my description. You'll be able to see all of that. And then step 4, every website can generate up to 60 seconds. Takes 60 seconds. Make money like this. Okay, so that's exactly what he is saying, Venkataramana, and I think he has done well for himself and for others in the past. But the decision to pick up this one will be entirely yours. But imagine having AI doing the job for you, which it combines with ChatGPT and Kosmos, and of course in turn creates turnkey websites in any niche of your choice, which is populated with whatever you desire, and Olympus does all that for you. So I'll leave the rest of the very review for you, and then see if we can take a look at the very members area of this amazing product which is going to be this. Here you have the training, which is exactly where we are right now. The training is this video, which is the how to see the video in action, how it's actually done, how you can do it yourself. And here you can always click on the name and the domain and hosting. Here you can search any domain of your choice. Let me see, let's see if we can search anyone like online. Let's see if we can generate anything from the domain and hosting button. It says please wait while we are fetching data for you. So hold on a sec, guys. I think it has Namecheap and hosting as the source of this domain. And let's see if we see what we have. These are all available. Okay, makemoneyonlinehub.com, you have easymoneyonline.com, you have onlinecashmachine.com. So all these basically are all .com domains that you can get, and which will be actually integrated with free WordPress hosting, where this website will be hosted. But for now, let's see my website, the one we have done before, and you see these are websites already created with this, which you can edit, delete here, and you can edit here. And of course, you can download plugin and download done for you website using this button. And these are the categories, the legal pages, AI poster, images, videos, YouTube, API, and support. In any case, let us see the demo video of this product in action so that you see how it works and see how this is going to be of immense benefit to you. After that, we'll see the pricing and the bonuses that I have for you, okay?
Hey fellows, how you doing today? In this video, I will show you something you probably have never seen before. What you'll see right now is me creating a real, brand new, profit-making website from start to finish, including some awesome domain search, getting hosting, installing a done-for-you, professional, and high-converting WordPress theme, smart category research and creation, creating the legal pages, and even adding high-quality, profit-making SEO-optimized content with images and video in front of your eyes with the power of advanced AI. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start by getting some awesome domain name options with the survival gear niche. Awesome. Let's see which of these domains are available for purchase. As you can see, all the available domains look just awesome. I love this one. Now let me show you where to get some WordPress hosting. This option here offers a free domain. Let's add it to the chart. Hostinger offers one of the best user experiences on buying domain and WordPress hosting, which you can do by yourself. Now let me continue the process by using my survival gear demo WordPress website I installed specifically for this demo video. Okay, awesome. I just got my awesome looking domain name and WordPress hosting, and now I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. You can enjoy the Olympus power with your existing WordPress by using Olympus plugin, or you could also enjoy it by using the Olympus Done For You website. Let me show you how to do it with Olympus Done For You website. So let's download it. To install a website, I need to install a WordPress plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. And activate it. Let's now import our website. And let's install it. Great. And there you have it, a clean and nice looking website. Now let's collect to the Olympus platform. Well, that was quick. And let's add some categories to it. We're going to do it with the power of advanced AI as well. And we can even add the categories to WordPress from here. And there you have them. Let's add them to the menu. And there they are. Let's now create legal pages, which is one of the most difficult tasks of creating a website. You simply need to fill out this form with your personal and website info. And there you have your legal pages ready to be published 100% created with the power of AI. Let's publish them in just a click. A website without content's nothing, right? Well, let's also do it with the power of advanced AI. Let's start by using these prompts right here to communicate with our super smart AI writer to create some extraordinary content. Let's use the first one. Let's replace the topic word for a category of our website. Awesome. Let's now use the second one for the title of our choice to get some keyword ideas for SEO purposes. Well, fellows, this is too hard to believe, right? But this is what we call advanced AI. Let's finally write our detailed, informative article for the title of our choice, 100% SEO optimized. Fellows, this is mind-blowing, right? Hard to believe, but you've just seen it in front of your eyes. Well, let's now post it. First, let's cut the title of the post from here, and let's add it right here. Then let's select our website, the category, and finally, let's post it. And there you have it. But not can you only post content posts with AI Poster. You can post absolutely any type of content. For example, product reviews, which are an outstanding way to make money from your blog. We also provide you with the exact steps to do that during the training. You can also add images, and even videos to the body of the article. As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing, but I can't show it all in this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that'll show you step-by-step how to make money with Olympus the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and digital products that help you make money online. Now let us take a look at the very bonus page of mine where we have the pricing for Olympus, and the front end obviously goes for $17. this will give you access to this very website, the dashboard area of this, and you have access to that and all the magic it does. And then the OTO number 1, which is the upgrade number 1, will be unlimited edition. It goes for $39.97, and with this you unlock turnkey websites that make this amount of money per month, almost more than 11,000 for a month with zero extra work. And you have the OTO number 2, which is the done for you edition, goes for $197. In this upgrade, the theme of this very launch aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales to customers. Okay, you have Olympus Autopilot, which is the upgrade number 3. It goes for $37.97, and then it will have the Olympus number 4, which is the machine, which goes for $197. And in this case, they actually set up a funnel for your customers on their hosting with their accounts, so they can build a list and make money of it. And you have also the number 5, I guess, which is the Kaboom, goes for $37.97 as well. With this, you make $286 every single day just by copying and pasting a simple link. And you have Olympus done for you turnkey website sites, goes for $107. Here they set up fully functioning custom site for your customers. And Olympus agency and reseller edition goes for $47. And you have this package under this very reseller and agency edition for $47. Okay, you have the pack for agency reseller agency pack. You have ability to sell unlimited agency accounts to your customers, and that's all you have under this agency and reseller edition for just $47. You have OTO number 8, which is going to be the bundle. This one goes for $37.97, and here you get access to 4 incredible apps for one-time low price, and those are the pricing for this, which are quite affordable for what it does. Now let us see the bonuses that I have for you, my mega bonuses for you. The number 1 will be ultimate multi-level marketing secret. This is where you learn multi-level marketing and how it can help you and your business develop exponentially. So you have number 2, which is the list building experts. Be an email expert, list expert, and drive internet business to success. You have number 3, internet marketing fast start. You have number 4, affiliate marketing secrets. You have 30 days to bigger email list ebook. You have chatbot marketing mastery, number 6, and you have building the perfect sales funnel. You have the blogging for profits. You have email list building blueprint and copywriting crackdown. These are all trainings that are going to definitely be of immense benefit to anybody, especially who are people who are beginning newly into digital marketing to make money. And as you can see, that will definitely bring us towards the end of this very amazing Olympus application review for this product today, which is from Venkata Ramana, my friend. And I will encourage you to take a look at what it does. Like I've said, imagine being able to build a website on any niche, and not only build for yourself, build for others, because you'll be able to have the agency and reseller edition. If you buy that upgrade, that will give you the opportunity to actually sell these services to others as well. And the team of this very group will actually help you do custom sites for that purpose or any other purpose you desire. And that's where I like this product. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be back to you in my next tip. Then I remain your Mike, MikeModibo.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys, from here. It's goodbye.